Maayong buntag kaninyong tanan. Malipayang pag-abot sa atong tanan niining mahundanong panagtigom sa Structural Engineers Association of Davao Incorporated, Visayas Chapter. Honorable Nestor Archival Sr., the Mayor of Cebu City, Dr. Alan Ibutuyan, the founding president of the Structural Engineers Association of Davao Incorporated, or SIAD, Engineer Brian Ariel Ayag, past president of the SIAD Mother Chapter, Dr. Lawrence T. Orjalesa, SIAD Visayas President of the calendar year 2025 to 2026, Dr. Alvin C. Sogilion, SIAD Visayas President for calendar year 2026-2027, distinguished officers of the SIAD Visayas Chapter, our outgoing and incoming officers, members of the Board of Directors, past presidents and advisors, fellow structural engineers, civil engineers, guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen. A pleasant day to everyone. It is with great honor and sincere appreciation that I stand before you today on behalf of the Structural Engineers Association of Davao Incorporated, Mother Chapter, to extend our warmest greetings and heartfelt congratulations to the SIAD Visayas Chapter on the occasion of our General Membership Meeting and Induction of Officers for calendar year 2026-2027. Today is not merely a formal gathering. It is a meaningful moment of renewal, continuity, and commitment. It is a time when we recognize the service of the outgoing officers, welcome the leadership of the incoming officers, and reaffirm the purpose that binds us together as structural engineers: the protection of life, the advancement of engineering practice, and the service of our communities. We are especially honored by the presence of Honorable Mayor Nestor Archival Sr. His presence today reminds us that the work of structural engineers is deeply connected with local governance, urban development, public safety, disaster resilience, and welfare of the people. The city of Cebu, with its historic character, economic importance, and continuing growth, stands as a vital center where engineering competence and responsible leadership must work hand in hand. We acknowledge with deep respect Dr. Alan Ibutuyan, the founding president of SIAD. The existence and continued growth of this organization are rooted in the vision, commitment, and pioneering efforts of leaders who believed that structural engineers must be recognized, organized, technically competent, ethically grounded, and responsive to society. His presence today reminds us of the foundation upon which SIAD was built, the mission and vision. We likewise recognize Engineer Brian Ariel Ayag, the past president of the SIAD Mother Chapter, whose leadership and service have contributed to the strengthening of our organization. The continuity of SIAD depends on leaders who willingly give their time, knowledge, and professional experience for the benefit of the association and the profession. To the outgoing officers led by your chapter president, Dr. Lawrence T. Orjalesa, we extend our sincere gratitude. Leadership in a professional organization is never a simple task. It requires time, patience, sacrifice, and the willingness to serve beyond personal and professional obligations. Your work has contributed to the growth of SIAD Visayas and has strengthened the presence of structural engineering advocacy in this region. For that, we thank you. To the incoming officers for calendar year 2026-2027, led by Dr. Alvin C. Sugilion, congratulations. Your induction today is both an honor and a responsibility. You are being entrusted not only with positions, but with a mission to continue building a chapter that is active, relevant, and technically competent, responsive to the needs of our profession and society. As civil engineers, particularly structural engineers, our work is often hidden behind walls, foundations, beams, columns, bridges, towers, and structural systems. Yet the impact of our decision is never hidden. Every calculation, every inspection, every design review, every assessment, and every professional judgment can affect public safety and the quality of life of people. This is why organizations such as CIAD are important. CIAD is not only a professional association, it is a society of engineers committed to competence, ethics, collaboration, and public service. It is a platform where we can continue learning, mentoring the younger engineers, sharing the best practices, responding to disasters just like what happened in Mindanao just recently, June 8, 2026, and promoting the importance of structural safety. The times we are facing demand more from us: earthquakes, typhoons, floods, aging structure, and rapid urbanization. The increasing complexity of buildings and bridges reminds us the structural engineering must continue to evolve. We must strengthen not only our technical knowledge but also our capacity to work together across regions, disciplines, institutions, and generations. For this reason, I am very pleased to see the continuing growth of the CIAD Visayas chapter. Your presence here today demonstrates that the spirit of its professional service is alive and strong. Cebu and the Visayas have always played an important role in engineering, construction, culture, commerce, and national development. With your leadership and participation, CIAD Visayas can become an even stronger force in promoting structural safety, resilience, and professional excellence. Let this gathering be a reminder that our profession is not only about designing structures that stand, it is also about building trust, building institutions, building communities, and building a safer future for the Filipino people. To our members, I encourage you to remain active and involved. Attend technical seminars, participate in discussions, share your experience, mentor younger engineers, support your officers, volunteer when your expertise is needed. The strength of a chapter does not depend on its officers. It depends on the collective commitment of its members. To our young engineers, may CIAD become a home where you can grow in knowledge, confidence, character, and professional purpose. Structural engineering is a demanding field, but it is also one of the most meaningful. The structures we design, assess, strengthen, and protect are part of people's homes, workplaces, schools, hospitals, roads, bridges, and place of worship. In every project, there is an opportunity to serve. To our senior engineers and advisors, thank you for continuing to guide the next generation. Your wisdom and experience are indispensable. Our profession advances not only through software, technology, and codes, but also through mentorship, sound judgment, and ethical leadership. As the president of the CIAD Mother Chapter, I wish to assure the Visayas chapter of our support and partnership. We look forward to some excuse me, more collaborative programs, technical activities, professional development initiatives, and disaster response efforts. Together, we can strengthen CIAD as a respected organization of structural engineers serving Davao, Mindanao, the Visayas, and the entire Philippines. On this day of induction, may the new officers lead with integrity, humility, competence, and courage. May your term be marked by meaningful programs, active membership, stronger partnerships, and visible contributions to public safety and nation building. Once again, congratulations, CIAD Visayas chapter, the outgoing officers, to the incoming officers, and to all members present today. Daghang salamat sa inyong mainitong pagdawat. Inaot nga magpadayon ang atong pinaghiyosa serbisyo ug professional nga kahusayang alang sa kaluwasan ug kaayohan sa atong katawhan. Welcome to everyone, and may we all have productive, memorable, and meaningful gathering. Maayong adlaw kanatong tanan, daghang salamat.